Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn about how to run an app based on events. We will learn how to update and track changes in the DB using events. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and sharing this video. So further ado, let's get started. First I will go to pubdev and get our packages. Today we'll be working with Firebase Firestore. To use that, we'll have to get CRUD Firestore and Firebase core packages. Next, we clean our main .dart and create our home screen stateless widget. Next, we'll add a scaffold, and inside the scaffold, let's add a column and wrap it around a center widget. Inside the column, I'll be adding a text field and an elevated button. Next, I'll initialize the Firebase and import the Firebase. Today I will be only creating an iOS app for this example. If you need to learn more about how to configure your Firebase app, please find a full detailed tutorial which I have done previously below in the description. Next, we have to create the Firestore database. Navigate on Firebase database and click on Create Database. Here we can select options according to your need, but I'll be selecting test mode. This can be changed later on. Next, select your location. I'm in Australia, so I'll be selecting Australia Southeast. Let's head back to our VS Code, run the app. Let's call initState method, which I used to call in the Firebase Firestore subscriber method. First, I'm going to create an instance of Firebase Firestore. Now let's call our subscriber method. What this method does is it will listen to any document change that falls under stated collection, and we can use that event parameter to access it. Now let's add our Firestore add function. This will add our text field value to our collection called users. When we save the data to the database, our app will be actively listening to the events and changes on new data, and it will access it. Now let's add some data and save. As you can see, it's saved to the database. Let's head back and see our listener is printing the value. Seems like our function was not initiated, so let's restart the app. So you can see it's printing the value and available data in the DB when it starts the app. Let's try to save a new value. As you can see, it has been printed the value. Now let me show you how to display the value on our app. First, I'm going to create a string variable called username and assign the listener value to the variable. Next, I'm going to create a text widget and assign the value to that. Finally, don't forget to call setState. I hope you gained some knowledge on how to work with Firebase event listeners. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions or something I could have done to make it better. Till next, take care.